The cabinet template is identified by the last 3 letters on the side of the box, CAB. Inside, you'll find the following items: instructions, drill bit and bushing set, hardware kit, 4 rails, template bases, 2 stop rails. To assemble the template, open the hardware kit and place a screw and washer into each of the elongated openings. On the back of the base, thread the nut onto the screw, but do not tighten. Place the shorter, flathead screw into the remaining opening. Again with the nut on the back of the base. You'll find a wrench in your kit that fits this one screw. Next, slide the 2 rails into place, ensuring that the 3/4 inch edge side is against the base. The smaller rail is placed into the cutout area on the base. Lightly snug all the screws using the appropriate wrench. Use the chart in the technical catalog to determine the cutting locations. The pin locations are adjustable in 1 mm increments. The numbers near the holes provide the cutting distance from the inner edge of the rails when the outer edge is held against the pins. Install the provided 10 mm diameter bit and 3/4 inch diameter guide bushing on the plunge router.